Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2015 Kenworth W900 extended cab, factory built glider kit day cab to show you. 3406 cat, 10 speed, 46,000 rears in a wet kit. It's got 481,000 original miles. I've gotten hot here this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, just like she came in. Hadn't done a whole lot to this one. We've washed it, detailed the inside. Just came in a couple days ago, but I want to show you what we got here. Let's go ahead and get started. Excellent steers. Blow by looks great. Frame rails are clean. Southern truck. As far as any imperfections or damage, it's got a little bend in the step there and a bend on the top side of the passenger side fuel tank there. Stationary fifth, AG460 suspension, all aluminum wheels. Overall, pretty nice truck. Body and paint's excellent. Interior's clean. Your wet kit controls there. Floor and dash, all that's in good shape. Your miles and hours. See, the temp is just below full operating temperature, and you got great low side oil pressure. Super snappy, super responsive. Oil pressure climbs extremely well. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.